What's this, creatives? I'm upright, almost functional, almost. Still going through a box of tissues a day, but you know what? I'm doing better and I'll take it. What an example of getting out of creative block, being sick. You know, you go through it and it's terrible and the recovery can really exhaust you. But if you don't give up, you do get out the other side. Yes, I still have chronic illness. Obviously, this only applies to things like whatever freaky virus I picked up. No, it isn't COVID. I've tested twice. But even though the block or the cold may seem like it's gonna last forever, it won't. Hydrate, rest, take care of yourself. How do you get out of block? Hydrate. You're taking in other creative work so that you're feeding your soul. Rest. You're playing. You're not putting pressure on yourself. When you make stuff, don't judge it. Just let it be. And then you get out the other side and guess what? You're not blocked anymore. All right, my throat's going. So that's your lesson for today. Keep going. Don't stop. Take in art, enjoy it, and remember to play. You got this, creative. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.